Today, we're going to discuss how to talk to someone about any subject and be comfortable in almost any situation, even if you're shy. So stay tuned, but first, be sure to like and subscribe to get more videos like this. See, the key to being able to talk to anyone about any subject and being comfortable while having that conversation is in the word interest. But let me ask, is it more important to be interesting or interested? What do you think? Go ahead, leave a comment in the box below. Which one do you think it would be? You know, interesting is when I have a good story and everybody listens to what I have to say and everybody gets excited when I talk, right? That I'm saying something that someone wants to listen to. Interested, however, is when I'm the individual who wants to hear what the person has to say. Everybody understand, Jack? See, that is the real key. If you understand the point of the definition of interesting versus interested, you understand that the key word is in interest, because the answer is not what you think. See, I'll show you an example. If I would say, from my experience, the answer is both. See, if we had a person, I'm just going to pull up my whiteboard here, there we go. If we had a person, this is a person A, actually let's just make that a little bit bigger. All right, we have a person A and a person B. The first step to being able to be comfortable in any situation, on any topic, with anyone, even a shy person, this is the secret to be able to how to take someone who's extremely shy and pull them out of their comfort zone, or if you're the shy one, how to do it for yourself. See, if we have person A, the key is to start by being interested. Now, most people think it's interesting that we have to have cool stories, a great life, have hobbies, but it's really easier than that. See, if you start by being interested in the other person, now all you have to do is ask, what? Questions, right? If I ask you a question and find out what it is that you like or what it is that you enjoy, I can get you excited. I can bring out your passion. Even the shyest person with the right question will open up and start to talk about themselves. Because what is the easiest thing for us to talk about? Yeah, us. With the right questions, that is. So step one, when you go into that situation, is be interested in the other person. Ask them questions. Learn about them. Learn about what they like. Learn about what they enjoy. And naturally, what's going to happen is when you are interested in them, it's going to build their interest in you, and it's going to turn. And they're going to start being interested in you. And that's where you become interesting, by answering the questions and enjoying the conversation. See, the real key is the balance between the two. If I'm the interesting one all the time, talking about being a master magician, traveling the world, working with incredible organizations, coaching them on sales, uniting them team, and I just keep talking and talking and talking and talking, no matter how interested you are, eventually you're going to get bored. Right? So there's got to be that transition. So if I start out by being interested in you, learning about you, your goals, your desires, what you want to achieve. One, I learn about you. If this is a business setting, I learn about your wants, your needs, your challenge, your problems, and learn what I need to know for sales, right? That's the key there. If you're interested and ask questions. But you're going to turn around after I've shown interest in you, you're going to turn around and become interested in me and start asking me questions, which gives me a chance to talk to you and be the interesting one. So it's all about the balance between the two. Because if it's just one-sided, everybody gets bored, right? It's not a very good communication. So you must first be interested, then become interesting, going back to being interested, and have that back and forth conversation. That really is the magic formula. If I was to simplify it, it's very simple. First, find out what the other person is interested in and ask them questions about it. Number two, be able to maintain that conversation with the other person through those questions so that they can have that back and forth communication until they open up and they get comfortable with you. And step three is when they answer, listen. Listen for the details so that you can ask another question. And then at the right time, the conversation will switch, and that is when it's your turn to share and speak and participate. And that, my friends, is the magic formula to really being able to talk about any subject with anyone and being comfortable in almost any situation. It's that simple. First be interested, then be interesting, and have a two-way conversation. Of course, if you want more details on how this would apply to sales and how you can use this within your business to increase your sales cycle or increase your profits, just leave a comment down below for me. Let me know. And maybe I'll shoot another video because we have a whole other flip chart I can show you that shows you how to go into their world first by being interested in them. But if you want that info, leave a comment down below and be sure to like and subscribe to get more quality videos just like this. See you soon. Thanks for watching.